Welcome to the experimental video section. The object is to determine the moisture and ash content in food sample by using gravimetric method. The gravimetric method is a quantitative chemical analysis technique based on the measurement of mass. The amount of an analyte substance to be determined is calculated by converting it into a pure, stable and easily weighable form. The requirement of the experiment are the weighing balance, hot air oven, muffle furnace, desiccator, the empty dish, the food sample. Now take the biscuit sample in the mortar pestle and crush it into a granularly fine powder. Now weigh the empty crucible and take the reading. Now take 2 gram of the food sample. Weight the dish with the sample. Let this be W1, the mass of the dish, plus the sample before drying. Now place the dish in a hot air oven at 105 degrees Celsius for the 2 hours. Now after 2 hours, remove the crucible from the hot air oven and immediately transfer it to the desiccator for 30 minutes to cool and avoid the moisture absorption from the air. Take the dish out of the desiccator and weigh it. Let this be W2, the mass of the dish, plus the sample after drying. Now for the ash content, place the dish after drying into a muffle furnace at 550 degrees Celsius for 2 hours. This will burn off the organic matter, leaving only the ash. Now after 2 hours, take the dish out and immediately place it into a desiccator. Keep it there for 30 minutes until fully cooled and dry. Now weight the dish containing the ash, that is, let this be W2, the mass of the dish, plus ash. The weight is 37.09 gram. The final calculation for moisture percentage is W1 minus W2 upon W1 minus W into 100. Here we have calculated for 2 biscuits, the Parle-G and the Monaco. The reading what we have obtained is given in the following observation table. Similarly, for the ash content percentage, that is W2 minus W upon W1 minus W into 100. Here also we have taken for the Parle-G and the Monaco, and the data are given in the following observation table. So the final result of the moisture and the ash content percent in the given food sample are. We can also calculate for the drink samples also. So the moisture percentage in the Parle-G is 5.67%, the Monaco is 4.075%, the Sprite is about 80.44% or 79.18%, the ash percent is Parle-G 1.04% and Monaco 0.65%. Thanks for watching. If you need more such videos, follow and do like, subscribe our channel for more such experimental videos.